Hello everyone. Welcome to the tutorial on the breakup of margin utilization. In this video, I'm going to talk about margin trading, margin utilization, its breakup, and how one can see margin utilization on Fyers Web. So, let's first start with understanding the basic concept of margin and margin trading. In simple terms, margin means borrowing money from a broker to trade. You can think of it as a loan from your broker. Margin trading allows you to buy more stock than you would be able to with your own funds. It enables you to take leverage on your trades. We have introduced detailed limit window of the margin utilized for trading or investing across all segments and exchanges, including NSE, BSE and MCX. We are the first platform in India to have introduced such a detailed breakup of how margins are utilized across different instruments and segments. Traders can get a clear understanding of the margins utilized across all segments. This helps in managing your risk and fund allocations. It is especially useful for active traders that have multiple positions throughout the day. You can access the margin utilized window in the dashboard panel. Some of the highlights of these features are: you can understand the margin utilized across all segments and instruments. It helps save time without having to use the margin calculators. It helps in allocating your capital more efficiently. It helps manage risk better and allocate your capital across segments and instruments more effectively. Margin utilized across segments. The margin utilized window is divided into different sections for ease of understanding. The segments are as follows. First, equity. This includes all equity orders and trades, including margins blocked for delivery trades, intraday, cover orders, bracket orders, etc. Second, equity F&O. This section includes margins utilized for all orders and trades in the equity and F&O segment, and it includes intraday trades, overnight trades, cover orders and bracket orders. Each of them is shown as separate entries so that you can get a clear understanding of the margin utilized. It also shows you a breakup of the consolidated, span and exposure margins for this segment. Currency F&O. You can see the detailed breakup of margin utilized for the CDS segment similar to the equity F&O segment. Commodity F&O. Just like equity and currency derivatives, this section shows you the detailed breakup of margins utilized for commodity derivatives with the breakup of span and exposure margins across pending and executed orders and margins blocked for cover order or bracket order. Receivables. It is the amount which is receivable after you have sold shares from your Demat account in either NSE or BSE. Please note that the receivable amount can be used for trading immediately, but is subject to the terms and conditions and penalties imposed by the exchange from time to time, which will have to be borne by you as and when applicable. Realized P&L shows you the realized profit and loss for all the segments and order types. The losses will be deducted from your trading account balance in real time, and the profits will be instantly credited. Take note that your realized profits can be utilized for trade immediately. However, we suggest you to take positions in the intraday segment with realized profits to avoid any penalties which might be imposed by the exchange for overnight trades using profits which are realized on the same day. Option by value. This section shows the margin utilized for option buy trades across the equity, currency, and commodity segments. Option buyers pay 100% of the value of the options upfront, and this section shows the consolidated margin utilized across option buy trades in each of the segments. Option sell premium. It shows you the premiums received by option sellers on a consolidated basis across all segments, that is, equity, currency, and commodities. This will help traders ascertain how much option premium value is added to the trading account balance. Also, it is important to note that clients are not allowed to use option sell premiums to take fresh positions, and that cannot be considered as part of the trading account balance. In short, premiums received from selling options shall not be used to initiate new trades. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.